Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You need the basics in place: Flutter SDK, Android Studio, and plugins. Make sure your device or emulator is connected. Once done, open your project and select the target device at the top right. Then pick the Flutter debug configuration and click the green bug icon to launch a debug session. You do this now so breakpoints and hot reload attach correctly. As you start, observe the Run and Debug tool windows. They show logs, stack traces, and active isolates, so you know the app is running under the debugger. Now set breakpoints where logic matters. Tap the gutter to add a line breakpoint, right-click for a conditional expression, or enable pause on exceptions. Once hit, use the Variables pane to inspect objects and the call stack to find the execution path. Add expressions to watches for continuous monitoring. Step over to skip calls, step into to dive into functions, and step out to return. Make sure to use hot reload to apply UI code changes while preserving runtime state. This keeps your debugging flow smooth and efficient. To finish, stop or detach the debugger when done. If the app behaves oddly, restart the app or rebuild in debug mode to clear stale state. For deeper inspection, open Flutter DevTools for widget inspection, CPU sampling, and memory profiling. If breakpoints do not trigger, make sure your source matches the built code, that you're running in debug mode, and that obfuscation is off. One key tip: restart Android Studio and your device if the debugger fails to attach. This resolves most intermittent.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.